Guys, look, I have an apron on. Look at it. It's my apron from Grove Collaborative. I love it. Anyways, hey guys, hey. Ooh, that's horrible. Hey guys, hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making dinner. It's Saturday and I'm gonna be meal prepping a couple of things as well. So as always, mostly every week I make, look at that lighting, mostly every single week I make keto chili from Amanda's recipe. I veered off of it some. This week I put pieces of mushroom in it. So everything is the same. I've linked it multiple times. I will try to remember to put it in the description box again. A link to her channel so you can check out her original recipe because credit is due to Amanda. What else am I making? I'm gonna make a sausage crust pizza, and I'm gonna make some taco meat for like some like salad bowls, taco bowls, hamburger bowls, whatever. I'll probably make some plain and then some taco meat. And so that's what we're doing today. So drink the rest of my pink drink. So the chili is done. I was just watching a video on the James Charles and Tati and Jeffree Star stuff. So what am I gonna do next? I just finished my Starbucks drink and I forgot that I had made this cinnamon chai tea from Teami Teas. It's grease. If you are a tea drinker, that is a good tea. Just saying. Got a discount code down below. I got a new flower today, you guys. Look. If you can see that over there. I got a strawberry plant. So that's super cool. And it's got a little tiny baby strawberry on it. Anyways, I'll be right back when I'm like on the next step here. I gotta clean up my mess. I can't stand a messy kitchen. Alright guys, so here is my taco meat that I have cooked. I just, I had this 3-pound ground beef that I got from Aldi for like $8.49, something around there, 8 something. So I already had a package of beef that I used for the chili. For the taco meat, I just have about a pound of it here. I put in some paprika, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic salt, and chili powder into this. And I've just cooked this up. I did drain it. I added in, I think it's a little bit too much water. And now I'm just going to scoop this into one of these little containers. And this is just going to be available for taco salads, tacos, cheese shell tacos, whatever taco-y goodness you want. This is really flavorful and so much better than using the taco seasoning packets. Now, usually I also put like ground cumin in here, but I'm currently out, so this is just, you gotta do what you gotta do. Alright, so then here is the hamburger meat. Now, I am using this for hamburger salads where I put ketchup, mayo, and mustard on top with some pickles, on some lettuce. Oh my god. Or like Big Mac in a bowl, whatever you want to make. This is flavored like a hamburger. So I put in some of this Grill Mates hamburger seasoning. This is so good. And I put in some garlic salt and some minced onions, and then that's it. And this is really good. It tastes like you're biting into a burger. It's delicious. I am going to not drain this. I'm going to put it in my little container, and when I use it, I'll take out whatever I'm going to do, heat it up. I will then drain it. That way it doesn't get dried out. It'll still have its juices. Alright, so on a pan, I flattened out some pork sausage and I baked it. I drained the grease, and then I put some low-carb sauce on top. I've cut up some mushrooms here that I'm going to also put now on top of there. I'm going to put on some spicy Italian dry salami, some mozzarella, and some mild cheddar, and then some of that hamburger meat that I cooked up earlier. And I will show you it in a minute. All right, here it is, guys. This is the sausage crust pizza. Now, usually I make it with chicken and it's really, really good, but I kind of just like wanted, I don't know, I wanted to try sausage. So, using my Pabst Blue Ribbon pizza cutter that I got from Keto Jinx. So, yeah, this is it. Some of the hamburger that I cooked up today, some spicy Italian salami, mushrooms, and mozzarella and cheddar cheese with a little bit of sauce on sausage crust, and that's it. So that's all I got for you guys today. That was my meal prep type thing. I cut up some celery and some radishes, and I put the celery in some water and some Tupperware. Other than that, my kids will eat on the chili all week. I will eat on the chili. I still have some of the chicken left over from last week, and then I have, what else did I make today? Oh, all the meat for the taco salads and tacos and hamburger bowls and what have you. So, I'm prepared. Are you?